Have you ever lived in the attic? I mean, if you're a cat, of course. I mean, cats can live in the attic. Sonia does. And she enjoys it. In fact, modern attics have wonderful equipment. There can be some pictures. There can be some pictures to admire. A rather attractive activity. What else one can do sitting in the attic the whole day? One can imagine the life outside and even peep out through the window or wash oneself or yawn a bit. Anyway, one shouldn't sleep the whole day while the whole world is having fun and enjoying and discovering something. Fortunately, some of the attic contain books. Cats don't read books for sure, but they can feel the energy of the books. And usually the attic books are very wonderful. No doubt they have to be kept away from the cat. But some cats are so smart that they don't scratch the books. They feel that this is something very special, very precious, just to be admired. So attics are great for living, especially when the cat doesn't have any other place to live. Hopefully, the current owners are trying to find a certain owner for a cat, the one who will take care of the cat and let her live in the house. But anyway, a person, no matter who is the person, a cat or a human being, may enjoy the current circumstances, may enjoy the place of living and find lots of wonderful advantages. We'll show you some of the pictures in one of our next videos.